What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Laughing Coyote, and today I'm doing something very different. I got a new chair, and the reason why I made this video was, well, one, because I wanted to put something up. As you guys know, I'm sick, and I'm still sick. You might be able to tell from my voice. And also, I get a lot of comments about my chair, what chair I use. So I got this new chair, and I was like, you know what, let me make an unboxing and an installation video on it. It's a Titan, Secretlab TITAN chair. It's the limited edition Dark Knight edition. So yeah, I'll show you everything that comes with it in the box. There it is, the Batman logo. I love Batman. And so yeah, I mean, a lot of you are interested in what chair I use, so here that is. And also you get a different kind of video without me yelling. So there you have it. You have the backrest, the what is that called, the wheel thing. Then you have this box, which I believe has the wheels for the wheel thing that yep, that's what it's called, the wheel thing, the wheel spider thingy, I don't know. But this box has the wheels, and it also has the tools to put together the chair, and I'll show you in a second. So there are the wheels, comes with 5 of them, and those are the 2 things that'll go on the side of the screws. I'll show you where they go. And you have the headrest right there, and there is no lumbar support sort of pillow like that, just like the headrest, but that's because it's built into the chair. You don't need a separate one. That's the tilt mechanism thing. Yep, as you can see, I'm very technical. Tilting in it. Be careful with that hole right there. It has grease in it, as I showed you. My finger got some on it. But yeah, and then you have well, actually that's the back. No, that's not the backrest. That's actually the bottom, the one that you sit on. So there's that, and there's lots of warning, as you can see. There, even on that, it says do not touch backrest recline lever while removing from the box. And then it says it on here as well, the same exact thing. And actually on the other side, well, I didn't show you there, but it says the same thing on the other side as well. So that's very important that you do not do that. Why? Because well, it's locked, that's why, and you don't want to apply any pressure on it while it's locked. You might break it. So you have to unlock it first. But there's a couple of things you have to do first before you can unlock it, and I'll show you that. So that was everything that came in the box. That's it. As you can tell, there's nothing more. And I think I'm going to fast forward after this because, you know, the rest is not that important. We'll put the box to the side and we'll start assembling. There's the, I like this little chart they send, by the way. So you start with the wheels first. Excuse me. Like I said, I'm still sick. My throat hurts still. That's why I'm doing this video. So you put in the wheels first. It's pretty simple. You just take the wheel out, just pop it into the holes. They recommend putting a sheet under it while you do it. I'm not entirely sure why that is. But yeah, it's fairly simple. As you can see, just pop it in and that's it. And that's the wheels done. Hey, bingo, innit? Just like that. Oh, by the way, as you can see, I'm a mess, and that's because, one, I'm sick, and second, I literally just woke up. So this is about 8 a.m. I think in the morning. So they delivered the chair. By the way, this is amazing. They were supposed to ship the chair on September 11th, and I got the chair on September 8th. So they were gonna ship it on the 11th, but I received it on the 8th. 3 days before they were gonna ship it, I received it. So amazing shipping by Secretlab. I'm very happy for that. Not only did they ship it early, but I even received it earlier than the date they said they were going to ship it in. And so I got it at night, and so I was like, nah, I'm just going to do it in the morning. Look at that, man. It looks so good. The video doesn't do it any justice. It looks even better in real life. And the good thing about it is, yes, it's a bit expensive, but it's very comfy as well. A lot of the times you look at things online on Amazon and stuff like that, and they're like, you know, these cheap Chinese knockoff chairs that look really cool, but then you buy them and they have such cheap quality and they're so uncomfortable. This is the complete opposite. This is so comfortable and has such good quality. Yes, it's very expensive as well, but at the same time, this chair has a 5-year warranty. So, oh, by the way, this video is not sponsored. This is just, like I said, I needed to do a video that wasn't me yelling at the top of my lungs. So I was like, you know what, let's do this. It's not sponsored. It's just me genuinely liking this chair. Everything I say is, you know, it's my own opinion. I've not been paid to say anything I'm saying. But yeah, it has such amazing quality, and it also looks so damn cool. I mean, look at it. It looks so amazing, especially for someone like me. I'm a huge DC fan, Detective Comics fan, so Batman in particular. I like Superman a lot more, but a lot more than Batman, but they didn't have Superman, so I settled for Batman. I found out later that they also have a Joker one, but the Joker one came in, obviously, the Joker color, which is purple, and that didn't really go that well with my room. I would have loved to have the Joker one, but unfortunately that wouldn't have really gone that well with my room. I have a sort of a navy blue sort of a theme, so you could say maybe purple will work, but the purple they're using is a bit lightish purple, and also they've got the light green in it. You know the Joker colors, come on, everybody knows that. But yeah, you just pop the back into the bottom just like that. You put the screws on both sides to so the chair can be in place. As you can tell, I tried to pull the lever. Now see, it gave me so many warnings not to do that, and the reason why I tried to pull it was to show you not to do it, because it's locked. It won't work even if you pull it. So those are two things that I said there. Those are for the side screws. So there you have it. You just pop them on and that's it. It has like a little magnet, so it just sort of pops on itself. As you can tell, I'm still not able to move that, and the reason behind that is because it's locked. And right there you see that screw where that red label is pointing to. You have to unscrew that, and after that you can then move the backrest around. Excuse me. So there you have it. And the red screw is out, and so now you can, there you go. Now as you can see, you can move the backrest to any position you want. Now to the tilt mechanism, yep, that's the word. Now this was a bit tricky, because there's a certain position you have to put it in. It doesn't specify what that position is. I had to figure it out myself. It's not that difficult, but you know, if you're a little technical-minded person, you'll figure it out easily. But it's important that you see how it has that hole, right? That has to be towards the backrest and not where your legs are going to be hanging off the chair. So it has to be towards the backrest. That's the position to do it in. And as always, you always put the screws in with your hand, so the thing will stay in place, and then once it stays in place, then you tighten it with a screwdriver or a, what is that? It's called a L wrench or something like that. I don't know. So yeah, and yeah, you tighten it like that, and there's that done. And I think we're pretty much done after this. You put the things on. Oh yeah, you put those things for the, you know, yeah, there it is, the tilt and all that. The height adjustment, and those are for those things, you know, when you pull it and your chair drops to the ground, and then you get up, and then the chair goes back up again. I don't know, I think I didn't explain that well at all, but who cares? You know what I'm talking about. That's the important part. Anyways, there you have it. You just pop it in. It's fairly simple. And yeah, now this is very important. See, I'm going to do this on purpose. I'm actually showing you to point, what I'm telling you here is to point the hole towards the backrest. You know, that's like I explained already. So it has to be the thing that's popping out, that's for the rocking tilt. It has to be in the front, and the hole where the wheels have to go is in the back. Now here's another thing that I'm going to show you. I'm going to do this on purpose. I'm going to drop it. Now, the way you pick this up is not off the ground. Look, because if you pick it up off the ground, that's what's going to happen. And I did that on purpose because it's written on the thing not to do that. So what you do is you put that on, and yeah, you do it like that. So the wheels have to be touching the ground, and you pop it over. Or you could be holding the wheels like I was. Basically, make sure the wheels don't pop off, is my point. And there you have it. That's it. It's very simple. Easy does it. It's a very comfy chair. I would highly recommend it if you can afford it, because they are very expensive. If you can afford it, trust me, not only do they look cool, they're one of the few chairs that not only look cool, but also are so comfortable and are definitely worth the price. And like I said, they have a 5-year warranty. So if you think about it, it's actually not that expensive, because yeah, you pay, let's say $400. That's not the price. I'm just saying, let's say $400. And you pay about $200 for another chair. That chair is going to last you maybe 2 years. This one's going to last you 5 years. So if you spend $200 in 2 years, you're going to be spending $400 in 4 years. Whereas with this one, you're spending $400 in 5 years. So in the long run, you're actually saving money by buying this. At the same time, being very comfy and fucking sitting in style, mate. So yeah, I love this chair. Like I said, if you can afford it, definitely go for it. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'm definitely not getting paid for this. This is just me giving you my honest opinion on it. And there it is. So that's the chair I'll be using. So all those comments I get, what kind of chair I use, well, there you have it. Secretlab's chair. In this case, the Dark Knight Limited Ediciones. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. And, you know, the tilt and all of that, it's regular. I mean, every chair has this stuff. But yeah, I love it. I love the cooling gel on it as well, which is very important for me, because as you might have seen from the side angle, I've got a thick ass. I'm thick, boy. So I sweat a lot is what I'm trying to say. And so that cooling gel is very important. What I'm doing right now basically is a lumbar support. So like I said earlier, it has an internal lumbar support, so you don't even need that pillow. It has the thing already, and you can adjust it, which is a good part about it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a nice